Morning friends. Yesterday we have learned international system of numeration, Indian system of numeration and all. And today we are going to see some large numbers. Before that, all of you know the units of length. Suppose I want to measure the length or the distance from Rajakkad to Rajkumari. Which will I prefer? We have four units: millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Which unit I will take for measuring from Rajakkad to Rajkumari? Of course, I will prefer kilometer. So, in order to measure the length of a pencil, what will I take? I cannot measure the length of a pencil by kilometer. I cannot say the pencil is about half kilometer and all. So, for that purpose, we are measuring using centimeter. And also for measuring minute things, for example the length of our nail and all, we use millimeter, and for measuring the length of buildings and all, we use meters. So for every unit it will have an appropriate time to measure, which means we cannot measure kilometer for measuring the length of pencil. So in order to measure length, or in order to measure the distance, we have four units: millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. So this is the conversion table: millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. So first I have, if I want to convert from millimeter to centimeter, I have to divide it by 10. From centimeter to meter, I have to divide it by 100, and from meter to kilometer, I have to divide it by 1000. If I want to convert from meter to centimeter, I have to multiply it by 100. From kilometer to meter, I have to multiply it by 1000. And from centimeter to millimeter, I have to multiply it by 10. Suppose I want to convert 200 centimeter to millimeter. So in order to convert from centimeter to millimeter, I have to multiply it by 10. So 200 into 10, which is equal to 2000 millimeter. So these are all simple things. Also in the case of weight, we can measure by kilogram, gram, milligram, etc. When you go to a shop and you say to the shopkeeper 1 kilogram of sugar, so the weight measurement is measured using kilogram. Not only kilogram, we have gram and milligram. And for smaller things, for ornaments and all, we use gram, and for minute particles we use milligram. So the units of weight are also measured. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. You need only this: 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. And in the case of liter also, we can say that 1 liter. Liters are used to measure the capacity. Suppose in my tank, I can say there is 1000 liters of water in my tank. 1000 liter means it shows the capacity. So 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. And read this question. Now we are start doing our problems. Population of Sundarnagar was 2,35,471 in the year 1991. In the year 2001, it was found to be increased by 72,958. So what was the population of the city in 2001? That is the question. Read the question. Population of Sundarnagar was 2,35,471. So at 1991, the population was 2,35,471, and at 2001 it is increased by 72,958. 2001, what is the population? That is the question. So So the population of Sundarnagar is 2,35,471 in the year 1991, and it was increased by 72,958. Now at 2001, what is the population? That is the question. So we have to simply add. We have to simply add this 2,35,471 plus. So you have to write from right side 8, 5, 9, 2, 7. So you have to add this 72,958. So 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, 7 plus 5 is equal to 2, remainder 1. Then 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, 13 plus 1, 14, remainder 1. 1 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. I hope you know how to add. Then the answer is 3,08,429. We can check. So simply by adding those two numbers we get the answer 3,08,429 is the answer. So the population of the city the population of city in 2001 is 3,08,429. So read this next question. In one state, the number of bicycles sold in year 2002-2003 was 7,43,000, and in the year 2003-2004 the number of bicycles sold was 8,100,000. In which year were more bicycles sold and how many more? So we have 2 years, 2002-2003 and 2003-2004. And in 2002-2003 we have 7,43,000 bicycle sold, and in 2003-2004 we have 8,100,000 bicycles sold. Which is greater? This is greater. 2003-2004 more amount of cycle we have sold. How many more? So we have to find the difference between 8 lakh and 100 minus 7,43,000. So 7,43,000. You have to write from the right side. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 0 minus 3. So we have to take 1 from this 7. Now it will become 9, 5, 0 here. So the answer is 57,100. So 2003-2004 that year more bicycles sold, and the difference, the increase in the sale is 57,100. Just find the difference between those two numbers. So 57,100 more bicycles sold in the year 2003-2004. Next question. The town newspaper is published every day. One copy has 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. How many total pages are printed every day? Read the question well. Town newspaper is published every day. So a newspaper like Manorama, Madhurabhumi published every day. One copy has 12 pages, and one copy of that newspaper have 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. So how many total pages? For one copy we have 12 pages. So for 11,980 copy we have how many pages? That is the question. For example, for one packet of biscuit you have 20 rupees. then what is the price of 5 packet of biscuits? You have to multiply 20 into 5. Like that, you have to find total number of pages by multiplying 11,980 and 12. 11,980 into 12. So 0, 8 into 2 is equal to 16, remainder 1, 92, 9 into 2 is equal to 18 plus 1, 19, remainder 1, 1 into 2 plus 1, 3, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Also, I hope you know the multiplication. So the answer is 1,43,760. So you have to multiply 11,980 into 12. Read this question. The number of sheets of a paper available for making notebooks is 75,000. Each sheet makes 8 pages of notebook. Each notebook contains 200 pages. So how many notebooks can be made from the paper available? Pause this video, read the question very well and then continue. The number of sheets of paper available for making notebooks. So we have a sheet of 75,000. We have 75,000 sheets, and from one sheet we can make 8 pages of notebook. So from one sheet we can make 8 pages. For a notebook we have 200 pages. Therefore, how many notebook we can make? That is the question. First we have to find the total number of sheet. Total number of sheet is 75,000. From one sheet we can make 8 pages. So total number of pages is equal to 75,000 into 8. This is the total number of pages. For one sheet 8 pages. Therefore 75,000 sheet we have 75,000 into 8. We have to multiply 75,000 into 8. So instead of 75,008, you just forgot about the zeros. Just multiply 75 into 8. Then you get 600. Then these 3 zeros are skipped. Now you can add these 3 zeros. So the answer will be 6 lakh. We have 6 lakh pages. So one sheet is equal to 8 pages. Total pages is equal to 75,000 into 8. One notebook means 200 pages. Now we have 6 lakh pages and one notebook means 200 pages. Then how much notebook we can make? For a small example, we get 5 biscuits worth rupees 100. 5 packets of biscuits using 100 rupees. So what is the price of one biscuit? You have to divide 100 by 20. The answer is 5. Like that we have total 6 lakh pages, and for a notebook we have 200 pages. So how many notebook? 6 lakh by 200. 6 lakh by 200. So 3 into 200 is equal to 600. So this is 0, and we have 3 additional zeros. So we can directly give the zeros to the result. 3 zeros are additional. So 3000 is the answer. So we can make 3000 notebooks. And there are 4 homeworks. This is the first homework. A book exhibition was held on 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third, and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050, and 2751. So the amount of 4 days are given. So we have to find the total number of tickets. So just add these four numbers. That is the answer. So you have to write down the steps. So you have to write down the steps. You have to add this four number. You have to write down first day, second day, third day, fourth day, and the total number of tickets. And you have to add that four times, four numbers, and you have to write the answer. Read this question. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in a test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? So I go to a shop and I bought a 10 rupees pen. I bought a pen of 10 rupees, but I have only 6 rupees in my hand. How much money I want to give to shopkeeper? I have only 6 rupees. For pen it is 10 rupees. I have only 6 rupees. How many more monies I want to give? I have to give 4 more. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. And in this case also, he wishes to complete 10,000 runs. Now he have only 6,980 runs. You have to subtract 6,980 from 10,000. Do it as a homework. Also, in an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did successful candidate win the election? Also here also you have to find the difference between those two numbers. The successful candidate scored 5,77,500 and the second winner scored 3,48,700. So what is the margin of winning? Which means you have to subtract 3,48,700 from 5,77,500. So you have to find the difference. The next question. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,991 in the first week of June and books worth of 4 lakh and 768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week is sale greater than and by how much? So first you have to find sale for 2 weeks together, means you have to add these two numbers. In which week the sale is greater? Of course the sale is greater for second week. And by how much? Which means you have to find the difference between these numbers. So the first question you have to find the total number, you have to add that two number, and for the last question you have to find the difference. You have to find the margin or you have to find the difference between those two numbers. So do these four questions. You can send me the answer through WhatsApp. Thank you.